Oh wow, I forgot to hit record. LOL.
You're so bad. You probably eat Twinkies all day.
Like I heard my dad reaction, I was like, how about a dick, Yamaka?
He's alive, fuckhead. Oh, faggot alert! Whoa, retard alert!
Uh-oh, retard alert. Oh my god. Did you see that man had to like shot?
You scared the shit out of me.
I thought like
What? I can't hear you. I'm too busy waiting. She can't hear you. There's two yarmulkes in his ears.
Search and destroy.
These people don't even make sense. They're talking about us buying Twinkies off the internet. Yeah, they sell them on eBay. I saw one sold for like 1,000. Yeah, people really like Twinkies. I'm doing so bad. 0-3. That's not delicious.
Faggot!
oh my god, you're so
Hi. Metalbender. Metalbender, can you bend metal?
Timeline.
Can you bend metal? Can you like take it and like bend it? Dude, I can't hear you. The sound of your shoe bag noise makes me angry.
ooh, good one. Like I never heard that one like
Well, you're Jewish? Holy shit. Oh, it's true. I mean, you're Jew.
that's a religion, right?
I don't think Jew.
Somebody rage quit.
Oh! God, like comment like what? What?
What was that one? What was that?
Search and destroy.
Somebody rage quitted.
Eliminate.
That guy just rage quitted. Yeah, he rage quitted. Ah, bitch.
Wait, you're gonna post this, right?
Yeah, I'm recording it right now.
Oh,
It's pretty funny how they're raging so much.
oh yeah. It's a tomahawk. That
Tomahawk, 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 tomahawk. Smosh. Oh my vagina. Bitch. Move. Okay.
oh, honey, guys.
Okay.
Can you talk in the back? I'll rhyme. Just so stop leaving your mic.
I'm right here, so. Ah! Vagina! John, I'm definitely posting this. I'm definitely posting this.
You guys, yeah. I gotta tell you, no.
funny how they're getting beat by pistols. That's how much they suck.
Yo, and combat knife.
Like, seriously, that's how much they suck. They're getting beat by a bunch of people with pistols.
And combat knife.
And they're using, like, assault rifles and crap.
And rocket launcher. Like I was used to the rocket launcher.
What the heck? You're not even
I,
Dude, you guys see this floating out the bed?
Oh my god. I live. I cannot believe I live. I'm at it.
okay, I'm running over there with you.
Keep going. Oh my god. So, it just got lost line.
Hostiles have destroyed your equipment. The bomb is armed.
These people suck. They suck donkey nuts. We just gotta make sure we get it, we keep it for 30 seconds. Ha!
Oh! Oh! Murdered by pistols and tomahawk. Nigger, please. Oh my.
Somebody's a racist.
Most, yeah, the most overpowered. Yeah,
Somebody's a racist. Somebody's a racist.
It took you 6 bullets. It took you 6 bullets to kill me. Kill me bullets.
This is pretty fun.
Back out.
Oh, yo, I'm gonna end the video.